So, as I was sifting through my scrap pile, getting rid of stuff, I found this piece of thin wall pipe and that rod, and it gave me an idea to make something. I originally wanted to make a more traditional sawtooth style trammel hook, but after running across these pieces, I thought this would be easier and maybe a little bit more interesting. I need to give a big shout out to Ron Thacker and Jerry S. Hodges for their recent very generous donations, helping to keep the channel moving along. Thanks a lot, guys. That was a little unexpected how the curly Q at the end unraveled a bit, but it actually looks pretty good, so leave it as is. It doesn't matter how much experience you have in blacksmithing, you always come across unexpected stuff, sometimes good, sometimes not so much. Got a little too hot to handle there. I'm doing this so that the adjustable hook won't freely rotate. I drill one hole through the pipe and the rod at the same time. That hole in the pipe will function as my stop. I mark for 3 more holes on the rod, but eventually just settle on drilling 2 more. To those who are new to my channel, I know that my anvils and anvil-like objects shake and bake. I just have them freestanding for a reason. There's a little too much rock and roll in this small bread loaf anvil. I'll eventually set this up someplace else. So those are the finished components, nothing complicated. This should be an interesting and useful piece to have hanging around. That's all for now. I appreciate everyone who watches, and I'll catch you guys next time. Head over to my spread shop for merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and caps. The link's in the description box down below, and help support the channel.